Over the past 10 years, heavy-duty truck fatalities have reached an all-time high, with judgments and settlements reaching $20 to $200 million. And high-profile cases are attracting large nationwide law firms. You can't afford to drive obsolete equipment that places your company and drivers at risk. Statistics show that new safety features reduce collisions by 22% and improve your government-published safety records. Prior to 2018 model years, collision mitigation and other advanced safety technologies were not standard options offered by OEMs. Today, fleets realize not only the significant role these safety technologies play in saving lives and reducing accident frequency, but also a noticeable ROI within 16 months. And as this tech has become standard, opting out of these safety options will negatively impact your insurance premiums. That's where Fleet Advantage can help. We partner with you by purchasing your old trucks and then design and install new state-of-the-art trucks with the best safety technology. And when you partner with us, we'll cover 50% of the cost for your new safety tech. It's time to mitigate risks and reduce costs. Fleet Advantage, driving America's business forward.